UFO Zoomorphology, the Avian Motif, explores how some unidentified flying objects resemble animal forms when imaged in zero-lux infrared with a tripod-mounted 3CCD broadcast series camera. Images from Mount Adams, Washington, recorded during the summer of 2010, reveal luminous emissions in the woods, followed by a UFO that travels below the forest canopy. The appearance of forest lights could be interpreted as precursors to the major UFO illumination event that followed. While studying the images, a notion concerning plasma boiling in the atmosphere arises, suggesting a scenario related to the churning on the surface of an ocean prior to the emergence of an entity from beneath the waves. The sequence of images shown in the video represents events that occurred within a 2-minute window of time while the camera was stationary and mounted on a tripod. During the recording period, I was walking along the forested roadway in front of the camera directly beneath where the UFO flared. It produced a blue aura that illuminated the canopy, like special effects lighting used in science fiction filmmaking. During the flare, I was able to observe blue lighting reflecting from nearby tree branches through my peripheral vision. It was not until I returned to the camera to review what was captured that the source of illumination became visible to me. Discontinuity of light emissions seen in the video suggests how the UFO was flying behind some of the trees and that the source of illumination was within the woods that separated the lens from the subject. If the light had been projected from behind the camera while sweeping a trail upon the woods, it seems the continuity of that trail would have been greater. This conclusion is based upon the idea of how, from the camera's perspective, there would have been little to no obstruction of the illuminator's beam between its reflection off of the trees and the lens. I applied contrast enhancement and digital magnification while editing. It was under these conditions that I was able to resolve the head of a bald eagle in profile on one of the UFO video frames. This avian form occurs in my photography as well, where, for example, Garuda appears as the eagle mount of Vishnu in the classical Sanskrit iconography of South Asia.